Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Made Simple. I'm the Carolina Chef, and I bet you guys are wondering what I'm doing with these two boxes. Well, we wanted to do a review on these two. So I have two special guests that are going to be trying these. I'm going to cook them and make chocolate chip pancakes. And I've got two little guests that are going to try them, and they're going to let us know what they think. And I think you will be surprised on the outcome of which one they decide. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Who knows? We'll find out. But just so you know, we did not use water like the ingredients say. We used milk because a lot of times I'll buy a gallon of milk and I won't go through it fast enough. So I'll use it in a lot of other things just to try to get rid of that milk so it doesn't go bad. So continue watching and we will find out who the winner is. Let's play. Hey, so we're doing a little taste test here today with some pancakes, and the boys are my taste testers. So we've got some pancakes cooked up. They both love pancakes. We are doing the Great Value brand from Walmart, and we're also checking out the Pearl Milling brand. And they don't know which one it is, so they're going to try a bite of each side, and then we'll go from there and let you know what their thoughts are. Guys. Is that one good? Yeah. Okay, now put that one down and try this one. This one right here.
Like that means that's the other kind?
Yeah, that's the other kind.
Well, this one's harder.
Okay.
This one's harder than I can't hold it.
Okay, Ben. You try yours right here. Try that one.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, well, he tried it anyway. Okay.
And me.
So, which one did you like better, the first one or the second one?
Second.
The second one, okay. So, you tried your first bite. Okay. Now, you try that one.
I'm thirsty, so give me my drink. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Gotta go with second one.
The second one. Well, guys, well, this is huge. We were going to show y'all who the winner is. Walmart brand beat out the Pearl Milling brand. That's crazy. I would not have thought that. So I fixed them both the same way. We used milk instead of water. They love chocolate chips, so we did that. And then we put a little butter in the pan when we fried them up. So both of them said, I'm surprised. Both of them said the Great Value brand, that they liked it better than the Pearl Milling, you know. And it's a lot more expensive. So guys, there's said. Go get you some Walmart brand pancake mix if you eat pancakes. Put a little chocolate chips and use milk instead of water. We'll see y'all later. Make sure you subscribe, share with your family and friends, and comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Have a good day. God bless. I'm going to make blah, blah, blah. Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Made Simple. I'm the Carolina Chef. Yep, and I'm about that too. Greetings and welcome to Simple Cooking Not Made Simple.